Hi everyone. I'm going to continue to talk about about how to sleep while you're under B2K. So about sleeping, I have actually come up with a thing which I use daily to actually sleep. So one of those things is to turn on some sacred chants. You will get some machines in the market, or you can even use your phone to listen to some sacred chants while you're sleeping. So that will allow you to sleep comfortably. My sacred chants goes on the whole night, and when these people are talking to me, I do not focus on what they say. I focus on those sacred chants. So I divert my focus, and initially I fall asleep. So you previously what used to happen is I used to taunt them, curse them, why people, why you are doing this, it is really bad, and God will curse you, and bad things will happen to you, and stuff like that. And this will go on. These people, you would actually enjoy it, no, even though I used to curse them a lot, but I found out they actually enjoyed that a lot, and that didn't actually help me. It was actually making things worse for me. So there is no point in talking to them, trying to reason with them. It is not going to help. They're only going to enjoy it a lot. It's if you've ever experienced bullying in school, the more you try and resist them, the more and more aggressive these people will get. It's the same theory with voice to skull. The more and more try and resist them, try and talk to them, curse them, it is definitely not going to help. So first thing is you need to actually stop talking to them. It is not going to help in any way. So what you can do is to sleep is to turn on some chants while sleeping, and that is definitely going to help, as it has helped me. And I've even tried it with other of my friends who are actually going through this. I've contacted few people from Pune who are facing the same torture, and told them the ways that they can and try and resolve these things, and try and sleep and stuff like that. So this has definitely helped me, my friend, so it is going to help you as well. And once you start getting good sleep, enough sleep, try and wake up early. The reason why you need to wake up early is to meditate. Meditation is definitely going to help. It is going to calm you. There are ways to do meditation on YouTube. You can search for ways to do meditation. There are several ways that you can do, and it has to be done in the morning, because the morning time is the time when you'd get all the positive energy in your life. Meditation is definitely going to calm your senses, give you clear thought process. If you continue sleeping late in during the day, it is not going to help. You would have to give an effort to actually wake up early, and it has to do you have to do it on a daily basis. Then only it is going to change your life. Now let me tell you something about what has how my life has changed drastically after following these things. So the first thing that has happened is I was into a job where I was delivering stuff to people. That is the job which I had started from after being under V2K, and now I'm actually a senior sales manager in a company, and I'm drawing a good salary. Even though I'm into this influence and stuff, but still it is not affecting my life anymore, and it has everything has changed around me after I have changed things in my life, because I wanted to make a change in my life, and so can you also do it. This is the whole reason of making this video, because I really want to change lives of people who have been suffering the same in the same way. I can really feel, I've spoken to people who've been in voice to skull, and I have been into that situation, and trust me, I don't really like it. I don't want people to suffer the way I've suffered. So this is the only reason why I'm making this video, as I have found a solution to this, as to how I can get out of this, and how I can reclaim my life. And I want each one of you who is facing this problem to reclaim their lives as well. So, coming back to the points, now there are other things that you can do on a daily basis. Now, during your day, listening to music is also one of the ways you can actually encounter this. But yes, they are constantly going to talk to you. They're trying to, when you use these methods, they're going to try and make your life even more healthy. Try and talk to you, make you more angry, but you don't have to fall for it, because they want you to fail into these methods. Initially when I started doing these things, they started torturing me even more, but now it doesn't. I kept on doing those things, these small things that I'm telling you, and they have changed my life, and they know that these things are going to change your life as well. So they will try and increase the level of torture. So don't fall for it. Don't think that this is not going to work. Be positive and continue doing this, so this will definitely change your life. So as I'm saying that you need to focus on your work, then you need to listen to some music. You might even want to listen to some positive channels, or someone actually talking positive things about how to change your lives and stuff like that. Or probably if you're into share market, stock market, or probably even into sales, there are people who talk, do motivational speeches. So try and listen to that. And the more you get into those things, you'll forget about what is happening with you, I mean what these people are doing with you, and you will get out of their trap. That way it is going to help very much, the way it has helped me. And apart from that, there are deliberate laughters that these people do, when you are doing something, or probably saying something to someone, and they laugh. So this is all a part of the way they torture someone. This is, don't take it personally when you actually get offended by their laughter, and they're abusive. You are actually falling for their trap. So always keep that in mind. Every time you hear that, just tell yourself that this is actually a part of their plan, and the more you know about it, the better things will get. You'll know that these are all tricks, and these are all recorded laughters. I mean, who laughs the whole time, 24 by 7? It's it's practically not possible. So uh, I've came to know that these are all recorded things, and they're making you hear that every time you do a reaction, you say something, you're talking to something, you're making something. So this is all a part of all that. And as I said, don't fall for it, and keep telling yourself that this is all how they've planned things to be. And the more you divert your attention from them to something, or like to your job or to other things, the more relaxed and free you're going to be. So then there is also a part where it is called, where they do street theater. Many of us have actually talked about it on groups, on videos as well. They've said that that they've been followed. There are people around you. There are people who are actually talking about you when you're going to some places. Like for example, you go to mall, and you are walking down the aisle, and you see that there are a group of people, and they're talking about you and stuff. So uh, to actually stop that, what I started doing is I started recording these things. I started taking videos. I went close to them. I started recording it. I did voice recording. I did video recording. Try to take down these people. Try to find evidence of this, what these people are doing. I even took down numbers of vehicles that I think that I thought that they were actually following me and stuff like that. So when I started doing it, I realized that all of them were not actually doing that. There was only few instances where it actually happened, and when I started recording it, these people actually stopped doing it. And because I was not only collecting evidence, but I also had a platform where I can show this evidence. So I had actually gone to the authorities, as I said in my previous video. I had made a video about how how you can register a complaint against these people in local authorities. So, I was collecting evidence, and that is the reason why eventually the street theater actually stopped. These people didn't actually follow me the way they used to taunt me. I had made up my mind that whenever I see these people in anywhere, I would walk up to them, directly talk to them, and I would talk like a normal person. I would not like overreact and stuff as to what you are doing and who are you and stuff like that. I would just turn on my camera and went to go to those people and talk to them as a normal person, as to find out what these people really are, what they are talking about and stuff like that. It's very normal. You can actually go walk up to people and talk to them. It doesn't have to be that you have to be very shy and just assume stuff in your head that okay, this he's following me, he's doing things to me. So that way things will be clarified, and you will get more clarity. And even if these people are doing, this will completely stop. This is one of the ways to actually stop street theater completely. I'm going to talk further in the next video.